Now, fine. My voice and screen. Come on, guys. Give the reply.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay. So 1 minute. Why it's not giving the annotation? What happened suddenly? Okay. At the rate before, right?
Taste annotation. That
Okay.
yeah.
First, we have need to write what? One public public void test test get connection, right? Test get con. Okay, fine. Now, so we have need to make this method as what? Test method na, at the rate test.
Test.
What happened? 1 minute something.
Can you check the pom.in? Okay.
Oh,
Same. Okay.
it's no. Actually,
Yeah, you are creating in the main, not in test. That's
Yes,
why.
Ravi.
yes,
Folder is changed.
Folder is
folder is.
changed, Rao. Yeah, you are creating in a
Mm,
different folder. Yes.
yes, because of that. Now, copy.
Copy this file. In test, Ravi. SRC test. Down. This
Yes,
one.
Yeah.
yes. So 1 minute.
This is also an interview question.
Yes. Because of that,
Yes.
see this. We are unable to what use it. We must write the test cases in the test folder only, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
Ravi.
One of my friend faced this question.
Yes. Yeah. Right click and paste. Yeah, fine. Okay, so now apply at the rate before, right?
Yes,
See
may I have
this?
an update?
No
Okay.
issue. It's came, right? Okay, fine now. So okay,
At
good.
the rate.
No issue, right? Let's write one more block. Public void close.
Close.
Close, right? Close, fine. So here what we will do it now, con1 equal to con2 equal to null. Null, fine. We are nullifying that both object, guys. Okay, in the close block. Come on.
Okay, Ravi.
At the rate after.
After this.
Yes, fine. Okay, good. So here let's check it, right? Let's check it. So which annotation we will
At the rate test.
sorry, which method we will use it here now, guys? Assert
Assert
same, right? Okay, fine now, guys. So what is the expected, right? Expected what is our expectation? Connection one, right?
Connection one.
Connection one and
Yes.
connection two. This is the both must match, both must pointing to same object, right? So if both are
Okay.
pointing to same object, then what we will get it now, guys? Our test case is pass na. We will get our test case is pass na. Right click, run.
Yes, Ravi. Ravi, at the rate test annotation is there.
Yeah, test annotation is remaining.
Yes, at the rate.
At the rate test.
Yes, fine. So right click, run JUnit test. Problem to launch the unit testing. What is this? This is the DB connection, no? Delete this one, no need. Yeah, this is the test API. Fine. And this is our test DB connection. Fine. Now right click, run as G. Yeah, correct. See this means what? Both are
Yes, sir.
pointing to same object or not, guys? Our test case is passed, na?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
Ravi. It's
Just
pass.
okay. Just what I'm going to do now? Just I'm deleting this one, right? Means what? Or if we delete means what? We will get null. If one is null, another one also null. Which null is what?
Pass.
Pass only, right?
Pass.
Pass. So okay, so before that, what we have need to do it now, guys? We have need to check not same also, right? So I want to show that okay, come in the API itself only, right? Come here. So minute, where the API
Change
now?
private
No, just what I'm
constructor.
doing. No, just if I'm removing this one, see this. If I'm removing the reference, means what? This one will become null, na? Because connection is will our connection will
Yes, right.
not creates. Then what? This is the null, right? Come on. Null or
Yes, Ravi.
not, guys?
Yes.
Only Pushpendra is
Yes,
giving the response, guys. What about others?
Yes, it's giving a
Because here there is no object creation internally, right? So we will get the null only, right? Come on. If we are accessing this object, then
yes,
what we will get it now, guys? Null, na? Come on.
it, yes, it will return to null.
Hmm. Okay, leave it others. Okay, no issue. Fine. So here connection object, right? So but what is that? Here we are declaring means what? If nothing is there, this one also will become null, and this one also will become. Again, if we are testing null, if both are the same, null means what we will get it, guys? Success only, right? Our test
Yes,
case
Ravi.
still we
yes.
will see this. I'm running this one. Okay, now see still we are getting the what success, right?
Success. Yes, Ravi.
So for that one more method is there. Let's work on. Let's check that one first. What condition, right? If we will check the if condition, guys. If condition at the time at the time of writing the test case. What is that? See this. If connection con one, right? Con one, right? If connection, what kind of logic we equal to null and 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 con2 equal to null means what? Fail, we will get the failure situation, right? If both are the null, then this block will execute now. Means what? False is what? True, right? Because we are using the AND
Yes.
operator.
Yes,
Come on, double AND operator. Come
yes, Ravi.
on, AND operator, na?
Yes, Ravi.
And operator is
Yeah.
meaning is what? If both condition is true, this one and this one, both condition is satisfied, then what we will get the result true, na?
True.
Yes.
True. So means if we are getting the true, for that purpose in the assert, one more method is there. Fail method is there, guys. Okay, fail method. We will use this fail method. Fail method, right? And inside this fail method, we will write the message. We will write that null value. Fine. Okay, good. So now, okay, if null both are the same, then this block will execute. Then what we will get it now? Then we will get the red symbol now, right? Let's run this. See this means what? What we observe the console now, guys. Observe the console. Null value, right? Null value. We are getting the
Null.
and based on this red color, what we can understand? Failure condition, na? Come on.
Yes.
See here,
Right.
one
Failure
method
condition.
is failed. Okay, so fine now, guys. So okay, but So failure condition. But what is that? If what is that? If what connection, database connection is what successfully open, and what both object is pointing to same reference, means what? Just what we will do it now, guys. Here we are holding that, means what? Connection object is created, right? Here nothing, null is not there. Here what? Connection object is there, right? Come on, give the
Yes,
reply.
sir.
Yes.
And here what happened now?
Yes,
And
Ravi.
what is the purpose of assert method? Means what? To checking the both object is pointing to same object
The
or not.
reference.
Come on, both reference is pointing to
Yes,
same object or not.
sir.
For that purpose we are
Same
using the
object.
assert
Yes,
same na. Come on.
assert, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
now let's run it. Now
Yes.
let's run it. JUnit test. Now see our
Success.
API is passed or not, guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi is
Yes,
part.
it's fast.
Pass, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah.
Okay, so okay, let's see one more API. Let's write one more API. Let's write one more API, and we will see that how we can test it, right? How we can test it, that API. Okay, so just let's take a string value. Now in this time, let's take a string value, right? So just what is that? Just developer responsibility is what? Business analyst is given one ticket. In that ticket, like what is that? Some message need to return, right? Some message, string message need to return. Okay, so what is that? So just we are writing com dot rk dot what? Com dot rk dot message, right? Message service class. Just think about that. Message service class is there. We have need to test that message service class, right? So here message service, this is the package name, and here this is the class name. Okay,
Yes, Ravi.
message service. Fine. Now guys, so finish it. Message service now. Okay, so this is the just we are developing the API now only. So okay guys, so here we are going to develop this API. So just what is the normal only, right guys? Okay, so just we are taking only one method here only. Static string return type is what? We are taking the string message, right? Just we are taking the message now. Okay, so just one argument, we will take the one argument also in this API. So string let's take name only, right? Name only. So okay, fine. Now guys, so here just I'm returning what? Return what is that? Welcome. Just I'm writing welcome here, right? Welcome plus what is that? Name. So if we pass any argument, then what kind of result will be now, guys? What kind of result will be? Our expectation, what is that? Actual data and expectation. Just think about that. What is our what actual data will become? WELCOM, right? Welcome space like just I'm passing what is that? Sudhir, right? Pushpin, right? So like this our data will construct na. Come on.
Yes.
Yes, correct.
Okay, so same
Expected.
like our expectation is this one, right? Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Save.
yes. So this is the our API. We have need to test our API, right? This is the API. We have need to test it. So let's write the test case. Let's write the test case about this API. How we can write it now? Right click new. Let's take one class, and here test API now. So message test. Okay, package name I'm taking, and we have need to follow the naming convention. Just tell me guys
Test
what is
message.
the naming convention? Test message service, right?
Yes.
This is the class name. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Now finish.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, fine now guys. So okay, so this is our what test case class. Now we have need to write the test method also now.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so what is the method name? Public void, and what is the method? Message, right? So what is the test message now? Come on, this is the message. So then what is the
Message.
test method name now guys? Test message now. Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
test
Ravi.
message.
Yes.
Yes, so fine now. Okay, so good. So if we want to make this method as what a test method, then what annotation we will apply on the top of this method now guys?
At
At
the
the rate
rate
test.
test.
Yeah, at the rate test. Okay, fine now guys. So we have need to write, we have need to follow the coding standard also, how we are writing the test cases real time, right? In the real time guys. Okay, so we have need to follow that. So what is that? Public void setup,
Setup.
public void setup. Fine now guys. So this block must execute before this test case. So for that, what annotation we will use it now guys? At the rate
Before each.
before
Before
each,
each.
right?
Before each.
Before each. After then cleanup code also we have need to write one method, right? So what is that? Public void close, right? Close one method we have need to write it. Okay, so what annotation we have need to apply on the top of what? After
Each.
each,
Each.
right?
After
Fine now guys. Okay, so this is the structure of what? Our test case now guys. Okay, good. So here what we will do it now on the class level, all variable declaration we will take now. Come on. So what is that?
Yes, Ravi.
Private
Name.
message service. Come on, message service class is there na?
Yes,
Service,
Ravi.
Yes.
service, right? Message service class. This class we have need to create the object, then we have need to declare the attribute also na on the class level guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, fine
Right.
now. So good. Yeah. So here what we will do now, we will create the object of what? Object of that class here only. So new, what is that? Message, new message
Message
service. Okay, fine. Then object creation will happen in this block now guys. Okay, and we will use that what? Object inside this method. Come on, test case method. Come on
Okay.
guys.
Yes,
Okay.
Ravi.
Okay, so fine now guys. So here what we will do it now guys? What we will do it now? So here just what?
Service equal to
Service equal to null.
service equal to name.
We have need to nullify here itself only, right? Okay, fine now. So in this
Yes, Ravi.
block we have need to write what is that? Actual data, right? So just what is that? Message, sorry, service
Service dot.
what? Service dot message, right? Message. So here what I'm going to do it now guys, here just I'm passing what? Just here I'm passing what?
Name.
Just I'm passing the
Name.
Pushpendra,
Name.
right? And
Yes.
Okay, Ravi.
okay, so here what we are taking is string, it will return some data also, this method is returning, right? So that data will become actual.
Yes. Take this as class level.
Yes, let's take this one as a class label now.
String actual.
Actual, right?
Okay.
Fine, actual data we are getting, right? So okay, good. After then what? If we want our expectation, let's prepare expectation also, right? So here what I'm doing now, here just I'm taking the string.
String expected.
Yes, expected, right? Expected
Yes,
to
sir.
string. Yeah, Here our expectation is what? Sorry. Expected, right? Expected equal to, our expectation is what? Our expectation is what? Welcome. Till
Welcome.
copy and this one, right? We will get this result.
Double quotes.
Yes.
Inside double quotes.
B3.
Right? Okay.
Yes,
This is
Ravi.
our what? Expectation, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay. So fine now. So what here what we are going to test it now? Content na? Come on,
Assert
guys.
equal.
So
Yes,
for that
Ravi.
purpose, what
Assert
method we
equal.
assert
Equals.
assert equals, right? Assert equals actual and expectation, right?
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
Now let's
Run
run
the
it.
application.
Now run the application. Now see this one. Both are matching, guys. Our what test case is pass na? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Yes, Ravi.
If our is just see this, just what I'm doing now here, just like our expectation is not match, guys. Okay, so in yeah, or let's do Pushpendra A I'm taking here, right? So means what? Our expectation and actual data is not match. Our expectation and actual data is not match. Then in this case, what we will get it now, guys? Our test case is failed na? Come
Failed.
on. Come
Yes,
on.
Ravi.
Right
Yes,
click,
Ravi.
Yes, sir.
right
Failed.
click, JUnit, right click, JUnit. Now see this one, guys. See this one. This is the failed or not?
Yes, it's failed.
Yes, Ravi. It's failed.
Okay, so like this, guys, like this we are testing our API in the real time, guys. Okay, so but what is that? Last time we completed, right? We completed one mini project, guys. What is the mini project name now? What is the mini project name now, guys? So this is the product management mini project na? Come on, people are remembered or forget it, guys.
Yes. Remember, Ravi.
Give the response, guys. I'm asking something. Okay, I'm not full to speak unnecessary here. Give the everyone response. Okay, otherwise I will remove everyone. Just the Pushpendra Smita is giving the response. I will teach those these both people only, right?
Yes, Ravi, you are responding.
Yeah, respond it. Otherwise, no need to stay here. Okay, leave it the meeting.
Yes.
So here the controller, because this is the known things, guys. Okay, no issue. Unit testing is a newly for us. Okay, today we are discussing, but this project is completed last time itself only, na? So give the response if I'm
Yes, sir.
asking anything. Okay, so here what is that controller we wrote, right? Controller we wrote. Okay, so
Yes,
this,
Ravi.
so we have need. Okay, how we can test this controller method? How we can test it? We will see the next weekend using Mockito, right? First I will explain the Mockito, then we will test this controller, guys. Okay, then we will test the controller, and next weekend, right? Next Saturday I will complete the
Yes.
Mockito. Then I will start what? Microservices. Okay, based on your response only, I will think about that one. Okay, I will think about that.
Okay, Ravi.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, Ravi.
Based on the response, I will see that. Okay, I will see that like a Sunday, if I start microservices, can I extend it? Okay. Unnecessary.
Okay.
Why I'm putting my effort, guys? Think about that. Even I'm asking, right? The people are just watching the like another things, and they started the meeting here itself only. Okay, let's. Okay, guys. So
No,
now,
Ravi, we are listening.
yeah, now I'm stopping the session, guys. We will meet next Saturday. Okay.
Okay.
Now practice
Okay.
this one, guys. Practice this one, guys. Without this one, if I explain the Mockito also, you guys will not understand. Okay, so till now, unit testing and assert API, both explanation and all those things, just practice once.